Today we will talk about the product Synogut. We from the channel Joy in Health, we prepared a super review video complete with everything you need to know before buying Synogut. Also have some really important alerts, which I will talk over the video, so pay close attention, but much so that you do not make mistakes when using or making the purchase of Synogut. The first thing you need to know about Synogut is, be careful with the website you will buy Synogut, because Synogut is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Synogut, and it really works? And the answer is yes, Synogut works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that addresses the root cause of digestive disorders, the microbes that eat the gut lining. We obtained the 10 purest and highest quality ingredients and put the exact amounts into a pure detoxifying supplement that combines symbiotics and a rare type of Benton gut repair. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Synogut, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Synogut, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Synogut for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So stay safe to use Synogut. But make sure you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Think of these benefits: of improving your bowel movement, increases the body's ability to absorb nutrients and improves digestive health. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Synogut really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.